So the Cybersecurity Career Boost Program, just to let people know, the actual the next 24 week cohort actually starts tonight, as far as July 12th, which is the recording of this episode. Is that correct?
Yes.
So yeah, that actually starts tonight. So anybody listening, hey, when's the next one? Unfortunately, you missed the vote, but the next one will be coming. I'm certain. So that cohort starts tonight, and it goes all the way to December 27th.
Yes. So normally how we do it is we normally do like a rolling onboarding period. So you can try to sign up every month.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll help you get onboarded and we'll go over the basic fundamentals so you can kind of seamlessly slide in towards our class
Oh,
dates.
so is there still time?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I stand corrected. Well, you guys heard it. Go at it. One of the things I did want to mention is I saw that the entire course, the Cybersecurity Career Boost Program, is $7,500. And so I was going to ask, kind of, how did you come up with that pricing? But I think what you said about, hey, I want this, like, my ultimate goal is for this to be a technical, hands-on master's course for somebody in cybersecurity. Which, as
Yes.
somebody who, I went to master's degree, and I remember what the payments were each semester, and I can tell people that is probably about 2 semesters worth from what I recall. If I was taking 2 credits, I think it was around like 3. So for anybody that's just kind of like wondering, like, man, that's a little bit of a steep price. It honestly, if you're going to school, that's about 2 semesters. And most people are going to school for, if you're working part-time, 2 years. So it's actually a pretty good deal.
Yeah, I've looked at other school prices for what they offer, and I think our stuff is still kind of undervalued, honestly, for for what we give. 'Cause a lot of the other schools don't have the opportunities that we have or the results that we get. So I'll put my results against anybody. You can literally ask any one of my students if they like it or not. And I'm pretty positive they'll give a nice review about us.
Yeah. And the thing I also like, Kenneth, from just looking at your website, is you had a section of how do I convince my employer to pay for this? And I think there was a section of like, hey, if you want to attend this course, here's what you can kind of say to your employer to show them like what you're going to be learning. Have you seen that like be a problem at all, or have most employers seen the value in it?
I would say most people when companies have reimbursement policies for these type of things will pay it. It's normally not an issue for the most part, unless there's like budget constraints because of layoffs, just things of the nature. But other than that, though, we've had a couple of students use the reimbursement for it.
Okay.